Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new here, I'm a mother of one. I'm married to a British man. Today we're making grilled catfish. Let's get right into it. We're going to do the marinade first. This is very important, guys. Use yellow pepper, red pepper, garlic, ginger, onion. Make sure you wash this very well with River Thames water, okay? Clean water. And then you add your onions, you add your oil. Do not use water for this because the water will reduce the flavor from your fish, okay? Use your oil. Then you add your seasoning cubes. Blend, blend, blend. Make sure it's very smooth, like tomato paste. You know your tin tomatoes? Yes. Make sure this is very, very smooth, guys. And then when you're done, put this aside. Now let's go to the fish. Tell you how to take off the slimy part of the fish. So boil your water, River Thames water, pour it into the pot or bowl you're using, pour it over the fish, immediately take it away, put it under running water, cold water, please, guys, very cold water. It doesn't take off skin, okay? We're trying to protect the skin. So once you pour the hot water, take it to a running tap, wash it all off. You notice the sliminess going away immediately. You don't need to wash with your alum or lemon. If you want to, you could do that, but then just put it hot water in, go straight to your running tap, and then wash it off with cold water. Okay, guys? Now let's get to the next step. So remember that blended mixture that we put in the bowl. Now let's add other ingredients to it. You add your curry, which is very optional. You add your seasoning cubes. Please add enough seasoning when grilling, okay? To make your fish very sweet. Make it for taste sweet. Okay, guys? And then you add pepper soup spice for flavor. I also added all-purpose seasoning, guys, okay? And then when you add that, you can add more spices if you want, like fresh thyme, parsley, go all out, anything that makes you comfortable. You see that our washed fish, can you see how the skin is still intact and everything because we washed immediately after? You want to make some incisions on the fish so that all the juicy, salty, spices will enter inside the body very well. After making the cut, you take your seasoning cubes, you squeeze it in your hands and then use it to rub on the fish, okay? That's the first layer. This fish is going to be very, very sweet, guys. If you make this fish and you have guests, they're going to finish everything. So you put your seasoning cubes on the fish and then you bring out the mixture. Guys, you can put oil in your hands to protect your hands, or you wear a glove, but I didn't bother to do that. Now take out that mixture and then start putting it in the incisions of the fish. You want it to enter very well. Let it be succulent. Yeah, keep putting it and putting it and putting it, okay? And then after that, we took our veggies. We have okra here, onion, bell peppers, red, green, and yellow pepper. Now start stuffing it inside for flavor. This is for flavor. It's juicy, going to be very juicy. Put it on both sides. And then you're going to fold. The type of folding you're going to do. The foil paper you use is very important, guys. Buy a very good one. And then make sure you double it. Okay, guys? Double the foil to prevent it from any accident. Do not fold too tight because you will still open this to check on the fish. And then when you're done, guys, grill in your oven for 15 minutes. Make sure you preheat your oven first, okay? After 15 minutes, open up and see that everything is going well. Can you see how juicy this looks? Oh my gosh. And then while checking it, I added more of the marinade to it just for more flavor. You can glaze some more seasoning if you want. And after you've done this, put it back, close it, give it an extra 3 to 15 minutes. Okay, so guys, while your fish is in the oven, I thought to show you a peppered sauce recipe that you can use to pair with this fish. This is just a blended mixture of red pepper and your fresh pepper. Okay, just your tatache, shombo, and rodo with your ginger and garlic. Okay, guys, you blend roughly. Make sure it's not so smooth. Add your onions. Yeah, onions is included. And then when you blend roughly, then you fry. Okay, add your seasoning cubes and your salt, and then I included the remaining bell peppers from the fish. Okay, guys, I just add this with the carrot. Then you can, for flavor, you can add parsley, you can add curry leaves. Optional, depends on what you have in the house. Okay, guys, now we have a lovely pepper mixture. Okay, guys, very simple. You pair this with your fish, and then I went ahead to fry some plantains, chips. You can go anyway, all out on this. You can get your yam, you can get your chips, you can get plantain, and you pair it out, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video. I love you. Bye. Make sure you try this out, and when you try it, leave me a comment. Okay, guys, love you. Bye.